When I was young, my dad, he's not a chef, but fantastic home cook. And it's not like ordinary, your run-of-the-mill home food that he cooks. He had sardines and, you know, like mussels and stuff like that. He was always cooking prawns. Just that fantastic smell of like roast garlic and seafood wafting through the house. So I was eating seafood from a young age, so I really got a taste for it. The Black Bull has been around for many a year. Used to be a very destination pub back in the day when there wasn't many great restaurants about. This was one of the great ones. It's bright and airy, and yeah, we're striving to still be a destination place. Hodgson's arguably the best supplier in the UK for seafood, renowned by many in the area. Them being a local supplier is very important to our cause. The fish just comes in straight off the dock, and it's on your doorstep the next morning. You can't ask for much more than that. The quality is fantastic. Seafood Week's a national celebration. It runs from the 4th to the 11th of October. So we're celebrating that here at the Black Bull. We're going to be doing a host of specials, obviously all seafood based. I'm going to be doing a mackerel dish. My sous chef Fletch is going to be doing a halibut dish, often renowned as King of the Sea because of its size. It can range anywhere from 20 to 60 kilos in weight, so it's a pretty huge fish. So we're going to be doing a lot of different specials. These two especially will be available as recipes for you guys to try at home, and it's a chance to try something new.